Cryptex Q&A Part 1. What is Cryptex? Cryptex is a crypto invest company founded by entrepreneurial and professional individuals. The Cryptex platform allows you to easily make use of our all-in-one solution to participate in the potentials of decentralized finance, combined with modern finance instruments. What makes Cryptex unique? Achieve maximum growth with minimal effort and risk. First worldwide risk-free project. Cryptex provides you a fixed deposit of $43,200 per contract. No private assets required. DeFi hybrid contract is like getting free mining hardware and electricity. Users try mining to make more cryptocurrency. Instead of sending your money to a foreign megacore to buy mining equipment which shows up late, used, or never at all, you can skip the depreciating asset and electricity bills and just stake your coins. Cryptex gives the little guys a chance. Massive whales own most Bitcoin. No active DeFi. Hybrid contract can be frozen, cannot be shut down. Skip the hurdles and bureaucracy. No KYC up to 10 contracts. Earn and help our planet. Each contract helps to generate more profits. Together we spend 2%, that is 1% Cryptex, 1% from you, to plant trees. 100% transparent. No hidden fees and costs. Cryptex removes middlemen. 100% privacy. We take our clients' privacy very seriously. 100% security guarantee. World's best referral program. Earn with Cryptex up to 20 levels. Earn as much as you want. Unique leader program. Earn with Cryptex infinite levels. Is Cryptex a bank? Cryptex is an independent and free group of a thriving network of experts, influencers, and pioneers. Being a client of Cryptex opens doors to many opportunities and not a bank. Powerful insight, unique finance instruments, extensive connections, and carefully crafted events inspire, empower, and challenge those we work with. We are the link between modern financial instruments and cryptocurrency. Our philosophy: achieve maximum growth with minimal effort and risk. Are the daily returns guaranteed? No. The daily returns will vary and are not guaranteed. Depending on the staking pool and diversification, different returns are achieved and are therefore not guaranteed. Which crypto can you use to buy Cryptex? DeFi hybrid contract? You can simply deposit with following coins to your Cryptex wallet: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, HEX, Pulse. How to deposit? Where do I find my deposit address? You can easily find your address as follows. Go to your Cryptex wallet, balances, from your profile menu. Click deposit for the amount you wish to deposit. Copy the deposit address provided. From your external wallet, exchange, etc., send your coins to your Cryptex deposit address. What is staking? At a very basic level, staking means locking your crypto assets in a proof-of-stake blockchain for a certain period of time. These locked assets are used to achieve consensus, which is required to secure the network and ensure the validity of every new transaction to be written to the blockchain. Those who stake their coins in a POS blockchain are usually called validators. For locking their assets and providing services to the blockchain, validators are rewarded with new coins from the network. What is a node? A node is a computer with a certain setup that runs the cryptocurrencies needed, validates, and software transactions. A staker or miner always operates a so-called full node, a complete copy of the blockchain. This way, the correctness of transactions are guaranteed. If a staker or miner shows a different set of data, it would immediately stick out as wrong. What is masternode? All proof-of-stake consensus algorithms are using masternodes. A masternode not only stores all the data of the blockchain, but also has a minimum number of coins that is locked up. With this, a masternode helps with certain tasks and functions on the blockchain, for example, verifying transactions, or helping with consensus, providing privacy features, or others. For some cryptocurrencies, these have a higher weight in the vote on updates. For providing these functions in a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, masternodes receive rewards from the respective cryptocurrency. Can I run a masternode myself? Why should I use Cryptex? You certainly can if you fulfill the criteria, which involves technical knowledge and financial commitment, two of the aspects that only few people are able or want to meet. An important aspect of a masternode is the minimum amount a node must meet. For a Dash masternode, for example, 1,000 coins are necessary. If a masternode does not meet the minimum requirement, it no longer qualifies as a masternode and loses its privileges. This minimum amount always involves a certain amount of coins in the network. Depending on the price of the coin, this amount can be very high to cover as an individual. In addition to that, you have to have the needed technical equipment and knowledge. The more diversified you want to set up your masternode portfolio, the higher the capital requirements of the individual. The higher the own capital requirement, the higher the risk share in the crypto market. A masternode pool thus offers maximum diversification, distribution of the risk. In combination with a life insurance which is borrowed, we achieve that you get a high volume for each contract. Cryptex provides you a fixed investment deposit of $43,200 per contract. No private assets required. This is unique on the market. This is Cryptex DeFi hybrid contract. How are the returns shown on the website calculated? The returns that are shown on your personal portfolio are net of all fees. It is the return that you are expected to get by Cryptex DeFi hybrid contract. However, due to the uncertain nature of blockchain, the returns provided are indicative. We have an automated microservice that calculates the returns every couple of minutes to give you the most up-to-date numbers. What is an auto compound? With auto compound and auto purchase, rewards are automatically converted to more staking shares upon rewards confirmation. Where does the capital of $43,200, which is used for staking, come from? Our partners, consisting of leasing companies and offshore investment banks, provide this capital. A life insurance policy is activated for each DeFi hybrid contract. Life insurance policy is deposited as security with an investment bank. In return, a loan of $43,200 will be made available for each DeFi hybrid contract. Can I have the loan paid out immediately or use it for other things? The loan of $43,200 provided may only be used for the DeFi staking pool. The capital is invested fully automatically in the respective DeFi pools according to fixed specifications. Cryptex also has no possibility to use this capital for other purposes. What does life insurance cost and who pays the monthly costs fees? For the loan provided, the investment bank wants between 5% and 6% interest annually. The interest is automatically paid from your personal profits achieved. You do not have to pay any additional amounts or fees during the whole duration. At the end of the year, the fees will be automatically debited from your profits. You can see this in your account, summary, or statements. Do I have to pay interest on the loan? The life insurance is automatically paid from your personal profits achieved. You do not have to pay any additional amounts or fees during the whole duration. At the end of the month, the fees will be automatically debited from your profits. You can see this in your account summary or statements. What are the fees for deposit? Cryptex charges 0 deposit fees. What are the monthly costs? The following amounts are debited from your profit account every month. $300. Monthly life insurance premium per DeFi hybrid contract, $30 USD. Monthly managed DeFi account fee per DeFi hybrid contract, 2.37600 USD. Annual interest payment of 5.5% for loan annual adjustment per DeFi hybrid contract. All fees are automatically debited from your rewards account. This means that you do not incur any further costs or other obligations. All fees are financed from the DeFi hybrid profits generated, which are credited to your personal Cryptex account every day. You can find detailed information and a complete overview in your personal Cryptex account. How high can my maximum loss be? The maximum you can lose is the processing fee of $100 per Cryptex DeFi hybrid contract. You have no obligation to make additional payments. How long does it take for my contract to be confirmed? Within 48 hours. It may take longer during the weekend. Will I get my processing fee back if my contract is rejected for any reason? If your application is rejected, you will receive the full processing fee, 100%, back within 48 hours. How long is the term of each Cryptex DeFi hybrid contract? You can choose between 24 months, 36 months, 60 months, and 84 months. We work for a feature contract of 120 months. Can I cancel the contract at any time? You can terminate the contract at any time and you will not incur any costs or obligations. How many contracts can I apply for? You can apply for up to 10 DeFi hybrid contracts without KYC's verification of documents, but the maximum contracts one person can have is 80. Are the contracts endless? Only certain contingents of contracts/volumes are available. If the maximum volume is reached, contracts can no longer be applied for. And there you have it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Earn US Dollars from Anywhere for more. Thanks for watching.